Hello everyone, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about Storyboard That. As you can see, Storyboard That is a really intuitive tool that our learners can use in the ESL EFL classroom, and I'm sure it can maybe foster or encourage collaborative learning since students are given the opportunity to use the creativity and write their own stories using pictures, text tables, and characters. So it also depends on how you can use it into your own classroom, but I just want to walk you through the results so that you can see how intuitive and interesting it is. So first of all, you need to create your account. At the same time, you can also use your Google account to access Storyboard That. So it gives you the possibility, or gives your learners the possibility, to choose different scenes. So when I click on scenes, you can see, so I can choose from town, entertainment, home, and we have a lot of choices here. So for example, let's just try at random and click on school. Why not? Okay, so for example, if I want my learners to describe, it can be a place in town or a city, or their dream town or country they would like to visit, or they talk about indoors or outdoor activities. There are so many things that we can maybe implement in the classroom using Storyboard That. So let's choose one scene, maybe in the school or in the classroom. So what you need to do is just drag and drop, and your scene is created. So it's as easy as that. And then maybe I can also choose the characters. So even for the characters, you see the possibilities you have. So you can choose from adults, teens, kids, classical era, monsters, from animals and stuff. So it's really interesting here. Let's suppose you want to teach animals, names of animals to your learners. You can use this one. Or maybe if you want to talk about jobs, you can also use these pictures here as flashcards. Or if you want to use the teens, for example, you can just drag and drop your characters to add them to the scene. So it's very user friendly, and on the right side you can see also the functionalities you have on the menu here. So you can just rotate. Okay, all right, so a lot of things you can do with the characters. You can rotate from the other side, you can customize the characters, and the free version gives you up to 6 scenes if you want to add them. But I think the paid version also gives more features here. So once you're done with the first one, you can just choose to go back to the second one, and you can add another scene if you want, depending on the prompt that the students are working on. Go back to characters and choose different characters you would like to choose. And what really makes it interesting is that you can add also text tables to add the speech. And this part is the most interesting because it can help learners enhance their writing skills, and they can use it also to tell their own stories because they can make their own comic strips. So it's very easy to use. Welcome to my school. Let us suppose the students are going to write about the school tour and present the school to to other students. So many things we can use with Storyboard. I'm sure our students creativity will pop out once we show them this tool. What makes it really interesting is that they can edit the items they choose. For example, if you click on this character, you can just maybe edit the pose itself. So it gives you so many possibilities. You can see the arms if you want to bend the arms this way or the other way. And you can even customize the types, the character itself. So this will be very interesting for learners because they are given the control over the tool itself, so they can choose to customize their characters as they wish. And once they are done, they can maybe just update the pose. So you can see also all of the feelings that you have. Okay, they can make the character happy or sad or crying or determined or speaking. So which means that they really have the control over the character. And then the position also, right, back, left, can be used, or they can also use it to rotate, to make it sit if they have a chair, or to make it kneel down. So many possibilities they are given here. Yeah, so I'm sure just once they're done, they click on update. And when students finish working on the stories, they just need to click on save in order to save the storyboard, and maybe it can be visualized in class, or they can share it as peers or send it to the teachers. So I hope you will give it a try and give me your feedback. So see you very soon for another tutorial.